If scheduling meetings takes up too much of your day, TidyCal is a tool worth checking out. It is built for freelancers, coaches, consultants, agencies, and business owners who want a faster and simpler way to manage appointments. Instead of sending endless messages to find a right meeting time, you can share one booking page and let clients choose an available slot. Right now, TidyCal is available on AppSumo with a lifetime deal, making it an affordable alternative to expensive monthly scheduling software. TidyCal helps you create a professional booking page that matches your availability. You can set your working hours, add buffer time between meetings, limit daily bookings, and decide which appointment types are visible. This gives you complete control over your schedule while creating a smooth booking experience for your clients. The platform also supports unlimited booking events. Whether you offer one-on-one consultations, group sessions, workshops, or discovery calls, you can create different booking types for each service. A helpful date poll feature also makes it easier for multiple people to agree on the best meeting time without long email conversations. Another standout feature is calendar synchronization. TidyCal connects with Google Calendar, Microsoft Office 365, and iCal, automatically checking your real-time availability before confirming a booking. You can even connect multiple calendars to prevent scheduling conflicts between personal and business events. If you sell coaching sessions, consultations, or other professional services, TidyCal also supports paid bookings. You can connect Stripe or PayPal, collect payments during the booking process, and provide a seamless experience for your clients. This makes it a practical solution for anyone who wants to save time while getting paid faster. The individual plan on AppSumo costs only $29 for lifetime access. It includes up to 10 calendar connections, custom booking pages, analytics, group bookings, payment collection, guest invitations, booking limits, and many more useful tools for solo professionals. For growing businesses, the agency plan is available for $79 as a one-time payment. It increases calendar connections to 25, supports unlimited team members, and includes dedicated team pages along with round-robin and collective team scheduling, making it ideal for agencies and larger teams. One of the biggest advantages is that this is a lifetime deal. Instead of paying every month, you make a single purchase and keep using the software. AppSumo also includes a 60-day money-back guarantee, giving you enough time to test the platform without risk. TidyCal looks like an excellent choice for anyone who wants to simplify scheduling, reduce missed appointments, and present a more professional booking experience. Based on the available information, it offers strong value, especially for freelancers, consultants, coaches, and agencies looking to avoid recurring subscription costs. If you are interested in grabbing this lifetime deal, check out the AppSumo link in the description before the offer ends. One payment today could save you years of monthly subscription fees while making your scheduling process faster, easier, and more professional.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like, and be sure to subscribe for more updates.